How to get a $180 SHEIN coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box, type in SHEIN coupon code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. Open it. This is the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for SHEIN. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 30% off, $50 off, 90% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it, then click on redeem as SHEIN. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, go ahead and log into your account. Browse through the items and select the items that you want to purchase and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount on your order. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find many offers for SHEIN. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Likewise, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon, as this is also the genuine website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for SHEIN. So this way you can easily get up to $180 SHEIN working coupon code. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.